Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz and here we contain the expression contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and word math method and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Let's recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have here two rules which are we can use to solve the given expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part or power of any number. Step number 3 is basically find out division and multiplication first. If your expression contains division, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first. Sorry, we can solve division first if it is coming first, and we can solve multiplication is coming first if it is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we have to go left to right in our expression and find out addition or subtraction. So which is coming first, we have to solve first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have to solve first the bracket. So this is the bracket which we can solve first. So other things I'm writing as it is. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10 plus 3. I'm writing as it is. And here I'm giving the reference 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now we do not have any bracket and also our expression does not contain any exponent part. So now I'm going left to right, step number 3, to solve this step number 3. So first of all, we have to solve division and multiplication. So first we receive like a division. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. And other parts I'm writing as it is. And here I'm giving the reference 20 multiplied by 5 equals to 4. Now move forward again left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have another multiplication. So I'm solving this one. So 4 plus 5 multiplied by 10 equals to, 4 plus 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50 plus 3. Now I'm giving the reference here 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. Now we have here three terms. We do not have any multiplication and division. So now we will solve the addition. So first of all, I'm solving this one. 5 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 4 equals to 54 plus 3, writing as it is. And now I'm giving the reference here 50 multiplied by 4 equals to 54. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So I'm writing as it is. So the answer of the here is 57. So the answer of the given expression is 57. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dots and word mass rule and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.